Oak Creek Canyon. You've had the fires and they've got pretty much the whole thing closed off. Even parking areas you can pull off and come down the creek. They say it's all black, messed up, and they're blocking out the access. This is blessed waters, sacred waters here in the Sedona area. It's so beautiful up here in the canyon. Everything is vibrant green, very vibrant. Sing your song for Mother Earth, remembering her, why we came here. She's so beautiful and so abused. We cannot allow that anymore. We have to change. Get reconnected. Gunatiaka. Una. Sing your song.